Community marketing has been talked a lot about lately. And I've been fortunate enough to work at the intersection of community marketing, wherein, on one hand, I have been working with brands who want to go for it, and on the other hand, I have been also working with community builders. So now, if I talk from the brand's perspective, it is an amazing thing to do. I mean, like if you get connect of a reliable community where people actually participate, where people actually turn up for things, for initiatives, for experimental activations, that's amazing for the brand to reach visibility, to reach their audience, to create an impact, engage them. But if I talk from the community builder's point of view, it's not that an easy task because communities are, it's not just bringing people together, it's about creating an impact in a way that they participate in conversations, they participate in whatever is happening over there as a community. And a lot of times I also get to see this that, on social media, you might be having a community of 25K, 50K, and whatever X number. But in reality, you when you actually invite people, when you actually sit down to participate in some conversations, you barely get a handful of numbers. So that led me to think what makes people participate in conversations or, anything as a community. So the first thing here which arises as a question is what is a community basically? Nowadays, we are all a part of multiple groups. Even I have joined several groups. Registration करवा के हम साल भर की membership लेते हैं. We tend to go in one or two events. We think that we are utilizing and we are participating in a lot of things that are happening in the community. But is it really the kind of community engagement that we are expecting? I mean, for us as well, individuals also. सो द थिंग इज कम्युनिटी में जब तक हम पार्टिसिपेट बात करके नहीं करेंगे, सो हाउ डू वी क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट? एंड वेन आई से कि बात करने के लिए, सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ टॉकिंग, बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ द टाइम वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग जब तक फायदा है. it's a give and take relationship, and we are a part of communities to gain something and probably sometimes give something if it suits us. उसमें भी अगर हमारा फायदा हो रहा है तो yes, we'll do that. But the hard part, or the real part is having a community means having conversations which are not comfortable, having conversations and participating in things which open up the real mirror, which actually leads you to do something to create an impact as a community. And with that thought process, since I've already been a part of a few communities, we've been trying to build our own community as well with iRise, which is a women initiative. So we are building something again, which might lead to conversations, which might lead to some uncomfortable conversations. So let's see what we create out of it. Till then, keep having conversations and keep having your communities together.